So I recently helped someone change their TiVo boxes, Virgin TiVo boxes, for the new V6 box. And before I disposed of them, I saw on the back that they've got hard drives in. So I took the hard drives out and I bought this caddy. And this drive is the 1 terabyte drive. So I'm going to mount it in this caddy, which is very simple. As you can see, you slot it in, put the cover over, and then screw these 2 screws back in. Now, it's not just as simple as connecting it up to your computer and then saving pictures and what have you on there. So we'll turn it on. You'll hear the little ding to say it's been recognised. Then we need to find Disk Manager.
Printer, jam.
So open that up right down there at the bottom under settings. And so there we are. There's our disk at the bottom there. So we're going to right click and we're going to initialize, because it needs initializing, and then we need to, once that's done, right click again on that right hand portion and we're going to allocate the drive. So I'll just click next, then we're going to call it G in this instance, as I've got a few others. Next again, and then we're going to keep it ticked as it is with the format the drive. Finish. Take a couple of seconds and you'll see it's allocated. So let's go back to File Manager, and there it is, all set up and ready.
Try unplugging it and plugging it in again.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.